Okay, here we are in a Peugeot 508 and we're gonna find out where the OBD port location is. So on this it's a little bit unusual. It's in front of the gear selector lever here, and after that you have to open up this latch, and after that the next step is to remove this, and after that you can find the OBD socket here. The orange socket there is where you connect the OBD scanner. So after that you can do the onboard diagnostic control on the Peugeot 508. Alright, thank you for watching, bye bye.